Alright, so it's chéisio tútar an seicibh 7, 8, 3, 6 gon agus Turtlin S a hochtad. So the S obviously Thomas kind for series as Kilmsa Commons Color the Himmel. So formula na SN is currently N hard do for do A moja N luja hin for D. Now, ní an ein ben einsteir jed gonin, alright? Ach tasin ke de A, so chashat an chéad chairm was a shechiv, so sin 7, agus an D is a goni on jifjacht, which is 3 so chasha. So crummel steach on 7 agus 3, notch A agus D. So sin do for 7 moja N luja hin for D. Sorry, notch D by 3n doing brackets. So N hard do for cardiac moja CN luja C. So sin fós N hard do for CN luja hinig. Alright, I sin an SN, so the SN currently sure. Okay, agus dar partial case na fearing na S hochtdar. Alright, so now Tom just let on do you on the reach, so niemand really do not just substitution. Okay, and those hagen stinning of forks and den stach. So Tom just let 8 stach notch N, so sin 8 hard do made for 3 for 8 luja hinig. So sin cad made for fisicad luja hinig. Cad made for sin just CJig. Cad for CJig is do super hin is quick do, so the S a hocht currently quick do. Alright. Ton formal bugan is jack and can TN ach ní muid ach just draw on do. So need to just cur every stach and os the electrical reach the major tan as then we just landing with the steps in the end shin. Now, John Madrid can the show, and to count a bugan jiffert the regen, spectrum can forward do so. A is a head chairman, she jig. D is currently now. So I fall cad ni sluch the turn, so not moja cad for stach to come luja cad. I was actually ní arrow in the in the shin really. Ach just go me S if cad probably be on ever jewel to her jerry because ta she fall ni sluch the turn. So John Madrid can the show. SN is currently N hard do for do A moja N luja hin for D. Agus tá tú just le séideag agus luja cad chuir steach an áit on A agus an D. Now be sé began tí for nó sem mai aga mé luja signed ach it's fós mar an ggéana. Alright, so tá mí ar dráil dhéana spis sin ó hain now.